In this video, I'm going to go over how to insert a chart on your PowerPoint presentation. So in PowerPoint 2, I have asked you to insert a chart on slide 4. If you use the second option from a content pane, it will activate the insert chart window. You choose the type of chart you wish to use. So if you want a pie chart, you choose that. And then there are subtypes. We're choosing just the column chart. Nothing else is changing. It's column and clustered column. And then I'm going to select OK. Another window will pop up. And in here, I need to enter the data that I want to go in the chart. Now, I can expand and decrease this. So if I need it to make this wider, I can just drag. So I can make it wider and higher. In this case, we are only going to be going through to column 1, and I believe we have 4 categories. So in my title, where it says series, I am going to type in Riders in Millions. And then in my category 1, I'm going to type in 1998. And my number for that was 3.6. And then in 2002, it was 5.6. And you can see the chart filling in behind. 2006, it was 5.6. And 2010, it was 5.6. So you notice nothing's coming up for series 2 and 3. Watch what happens if I expand this selection. So it's very easy to adjust that. Once you're done, you just click close. Your title, Riders in Millions, show up. I don't want the legend on. So in here I can change that. And you'll notice I have this filter option. I have the chart styles, and I have a chart elements. In the chart elements, I can turn off the legend, and I just have my title across the top that says Riders in Millions. And I also just want to make this a little bit narrower than what it was. If you go inside the chart, you're going to actually make the chart narrower, not the whole thing. So just be aware of that. I've asked you to animate this chart, so we're going to select it, go to Animations. I've asked it to fly in from the bottom. I want the duration to be 3.0. And I want it to play after previous. And I also want it so that it comes up by category, which means each of the columns will come up one at a time. So the chart background comes in, and then each column comes in one at a time.